it's Sam with WTI. I want to tell you all about this super cool scalp massager brush by the company HEETA. So I have curly and thick hair, as you can see, so I get a lot of scalp buildup, and I just can never really get in there well. This has been a game changer. It is so nice. You just kind of like rub it around, and I'm gonna mess up my hair for you guys. That's how much I want to show you this. It's super nice. It gets right in there. It kind of breaks up your dryness at your scalp and any buildup you might have. It's soft. It's like this silicone material. This part's hard. This part is very soft, and it is just really nice. It gets right in there, and I really recommend this product if you are someone who has extra scalp buildup, or you're just looking to help your scalp health. And that is my point of view.